Nexo, in a real sense, is a coin that certainly is at present exchanged at $0.585375 per unit, with the market capitalization of $327,810,043. That most certainly makes it a low-position digital currency in an essentially significant manner. Computerized resources like Nexo have currently turned into the point of convergence of consideration for reasonably retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for fundamentally enormous institutional financial backers who really see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as an extremely viable sword of fence against expansion that takes an exceptionally weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which for the most part is very huge. Recently, on August 18, the cost of Nexo in every way that really matters remained at $0.598172 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.16% distinction when contrasted with the essentially current value 7 days prior. On August 12, the Nexo market in every practical sense remained at $0.638023 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in a quite enormous manner. As the outcome, the cost in every practical sense moved by 0% comparable to its exceptionally present standing. A month prior, on July 19, Nexo for the most part was valued at $0.625263, which for the most part corresponded with our cost expectation for that by and large specific period. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Contrasted with the current place of Nexo, it addresses a 6.38% cost move, exhibiting that yesterday, on August 18, the cost of Nexo remained at $0.598172 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 0.16% distinction when contrasted with the in every way that really matters current value 7 days prior. On August 12, the Nexo market truly remained at $0.638023 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which sort of is genuinely critical. These figures ought to truly yield you some knowledge into the truly current market structure, while our top-to-bottom cost conjecture sort of depends on the appearances of CVIX in an unpretentious manner. However, to sort of figure out the kind of by and large especially capability of Nexo, or any exceptionally other digital money so far as that is concerned, it's essential to consider the cost vacillations, as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized asset. When it comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves commonly more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its general notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in a very enormous manner, numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a really key pointer to generally be considered prior to going with exchanging choices, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. It is determined by duplicating the in every practical sense complete number of coins that, for the most part, are right now available for use, flowing stock, by the especially current cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, as of now especially remains at $0.585375. So contrasted with the kind of present place of Nexo, it addresses a 6.38% cost move, exhibiting that yesterday, on August 18, the cost of Nexo really remained at $0.598172 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 0.16% distinction when contrasted with the kind of current value 7 days prior. On August 12, the Nexo market sort of remained at $0.638023 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which basically is genuinely huge. Considering that recipe, we certainly have determined the genuinely current market capitalization of Nexo to really be at $327,810,043, which legitimizes its place as the 74th coin among those present on the digital money market. Or so the truly thought. Recently, on August 18, the market capitalization of Nexo basically remained at $334,976,602, genuinely keep going weak. On August 12, the truly aggregate sum of truly capital dedicated to Nexo was laid out at $357,292,733. The information from a month prior, enlisted on July 19, in a real sense shows that Nexo truly had a market capitalization of $350,147 truly 336. Total stock focuses to the quantity of coins that truly have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and sort of are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders, for the most part chilly wallets, which explicitly is very huge. The kind of all-out supply likewise considers any coins that sort of have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, which for the most part is very critical. It can measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that truly is public on the securities exchange in an unobtrusive manner. The exceptionally all-out supply of Nexo as of now by and large stands at 100,000,000,000 Nexo.as. Previously made sense of. The flowing stock essentially is the most usually involved commonly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which generally is very huge. It compares with the especially the best estimation of the by and large generally number of coins that truly are public on digital money trades and in every practical sense add to their liquidity, showing how the genuinely complete stock of Nexo as of now generally remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo.as. Previously made sense of. The circling supply certainly is the most ordinarily involved most certainly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which for the most part is very huge. Their volume doesn't especially incorporate the coins that especially are vested, marked in every practical sense, brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or by and large put unavailable for general use. So it relates with the sort of the best estimate of the especially generally number of coins that basically are public on digital money trades and really add to their liquidity, showing how the very complete stockpile of Nexo as of now truly remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo.as. Previously made sense of. The coursing supply for the most part is the most normally involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to. The coursing supply sort of is essentially what might be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the financial exchange, which explicitly shows that yesterday, on August 18, the cost of Nexo remained at $0.598172 at the end of the very everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 0.16% distinction when contrasted with the in every way that really matters current value. 7 days prior, on August 12, the Nexo market generally remained at $0.638023 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which especially is genuinely huge. At the present time, the flowing stock of Nexo is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo.over, the kind of beyond 24 hours. The exchanging volume related with the Nexo market in every practical sense added up to $2,552,415, showing he yet to generally grasp the truly by and large fundamentally capability of Nexo, or in every way that really matters, other digital money besides. It's critical to for the most part consider the cost variances, as well as changes in the market